Here's what happens when British luxury meets cutting-edge hybrid technology. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT Speed isn't just ditching the legendary W12, it's replacing it with something that might actually be better. Let's talk power first. This thing packs an ultra-performance hybrid system combining a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 with an electric motor. The result? A mind-bending 782 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. That's more than the old W12 ever managed. 0 to 60 happens in just 3.1 seconds, and you'll keep accelerating until you hit 208 miles per hour. Those are proper supercar numbers, wrapped in a hand-stitched leather cocoon. But here's where it gets interesting. That electric motor doesn't just add power, it transforms how this car drives. You get 332 pound-feet of instant electric torque before the V8 even wakes up. Around town, you can cruise silently on pure electricity for up to 50 miles. It's surreal gliding through city streets in complete silence, knowing you're sitting on nearly 800 horsepower. The chassis tech is seriously impressive. Bentley's thrown everything at this car. You get adaptive air suspension, active anti-roll bars that use 48-volt electric motors, rear-wheel steering, and an electronic limited-slip differential, all working together to make this 400-pound Grand Tourer feel surprisingly agile. The rear-wheel steering alone cuts the turning circle down significantly, making tight parking spots way more manageable than you'd expect. Inside, it's pure Bentley. Hand-stitched leather everywhere, open-pore wood veneers, and that incredible rotating display on the dash. You can flip between a high-tech screen, classic analog gauges, or just clean wood. The front seats offer 20-way adjustment, plus heating, ventilation, and massage. There's even a system that automatically adjusts seat temperature based on what it thinks you need. The styling evolution is subtle but effective. Up front, you get those intense crystal-inspired headlights with 120 LEDs and a gloss black grille. The Speed variant gets motorsport-inspired touches throughout. Around back, the oval dual exhausts and updated diffuser give it proper presence. Now let's address the elephant in the room. This first edition, as shown, starts at 359,385 Swiss francs. That's roughly $410,000 USD or 380,000 euros. And that's before you dive into Mulliner customization options where things get truly wild. But you're not just buying a car, you're buying the most powerful Bentley ever built, one that can whisper through town on electricity or unleash nearly 800 horsepower when the road opens up. It's a Grand Tourer that's figured out how to have its cake and eat it too. British luxury meeting German hybrid engineering. And honestly, it works beautifully. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.